Welcome everyone. In this video lecture, we will solve a simple GET 2002 easy question in which we have to think about the input and output impedance of a negative feedback amplifier, that is our voltage series feedback, and simply we can say voltage sampling and series mixing. So it is very fundamental voltage amplifier, voltage series feedback. So in this question, we have to say what should be the input impedance, that is our Ri and R naught. So the question is, in a negative feedback amplifier using voltage series feedback, that is our voltage sampling series mixing feedback. Okay, so what should be the input impedance? So as we know, the input impedance Ri will be simply 1 plus A beta times of Ri. Okay, so one can also write this as a RIF. So if Ri input impedance of that amplifier, Ri input impedance of the amplifier. Okay, so the after feedback, voltage is feedback, it should be increased. That is our here they are writing Ri. So RIF will be this. Okay, so one can also write this input impedance Ri is same as that of Ri, and this one the Ri is the input impedance of the amplifier. Okay, and the corresponding output impedance will be just R naught by 1 plus A beta. So which is just simply decreased. So this one is the output impedance. Okay, so in this case the output impedance will be decreased by a factor 1 plus A beta, and the input impedance will be increased with feedback. That's why I'm writing RIF. So RI is the input impedance of that amplifier. Okay, so here I am writing RIF. So it means this one is also, we can say this one is RIF. So better to, because in the question it is written Ri, so make it Ri. So which one is the, so input impedance will be increased and output impedance will be decreased. So this one is the correct answer. That is option number C. So just for more detail, I will give you the video uh, lecture of that particular topic, means how the calculate the input impedance and output impedance. So, so this one is the circuit. So for the more detail, I'm just doing there are two things. One is feedback amplifier and one is simple amplifier. So I'm writing this one is amplifier, having amplifier gain A, the feedback amplifier, or we can say the feedback network will be there having some beta. Okay, so now, okay, this one is the load RL, it's connected here, and what we are doing, this one is some voltage source plus or minus Vs. Okay, and what we are doing, this one is a very fundamental figure for that. Plus or minus Vf will come, plus of minus Vi, plus of, okay, here we write plus of minus V naught, and we are giving, okay. So here this one is just series mixing. This portion we are showing, writing that this one is our series mixing in the input side, and at the output side this one is our, but series mixing we can write a voltage sampling, and here we have voltage sampling. Okay, so this one is the, that's why here writing voltage sampling and series mixing. Okay, and this one is simple, a negative feedback concept of that one. So the correct answer will be this. Ri increases, R not decreases. One of the fundamental example, that one example that I also, we can go for that, like a simple example, that is our non-inverting op amp. A non-inverting op amp, I am writing here, non-inverting op amp. Non-inverting op amp. This one is just an example. I am just want to show you. This one is also a negative feedback. Say R2, R1. This one is V naught. This will be our plus minus Vi plus minus Vf. So Vs minus Vi minus Vf equals to 0. So here the Vf equals to Vs minus Vi. Okay, Vf equals to Vs minus Vi. So this one is also one example of a voltage series feedback. Series feedback. Okay, so in this case also the input impedance somehow we are just a ZIF will increase, which is our Zi into 1 plus A beta, or Z naught will be with feedback will be Z naught by 1 plus A beta. So here some notation is there, but we can also make for the simplification RIF R naught F. Okay. Okay, so depending, so no need to confuse because there Ri is there. So I am just writing with feedback. So one can answer that Ri into R something, R input impedance R. So this one is the correct answer. So this is all about this simple question of GATE 2002. I will share the link in which the how to prove this concept RIF equals to 1 plus A beta Ri. So it is, this is all about this simple question. So thank you for watching this video.